हेलो एंड वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल वेब मेंटोर मैजिक। इस वीडियो में मैं CS403 डेटाबेस मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम फाइनल टर्म की प्रिपरेशन के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट MCQs शेयर करूंगा जो आपके पेपर को सॉल्व करने में मददगार होंगे। साथ ही मैं कुछ यूज़फुल टिप्स भी दूंगा जो आपकी प्रिपरेशन को और बेहतर बनाएंगे। वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले ज़रूर इस वीडियो को लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें ताकि आपको ऐसी हेल्पफुल वीडियोस रेगुलरली मिलती रहें। चलें, बिना टाइम ज़ाया किए शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन ट्रंकेट इज एन ऑल्टरनेटिव ऑफ डिलीट कमांड। ऑप्शंस ए ट्रू बी फॉल्स करेक्ट, आंसर ए ट्रू 12। Question: The most recently accessed data from the disk, as well as adjacent sectors, is stored in a options A. Memory buffer. B. EPROM C. ROM D. Hard disk. Correct answer A. Memory buffer. Question: Browser based and non browser or simple are two different types of options. A. Forms B. Language C. Interface D. Programs. Correct answer A. Forms. Question: Which of the following is incorrect about alter table statement? Options A. Cannot be used to modify type or size of an existing column. B. Can be used to delete a column. C. Cannot be used to create a new table. D. Can be used to add column in the existing table. Correct answer A. Cannot be used to modify type or size of an existing column. Question: What does the abbreviation DBMS stand for? Options A. Database Management Software. B. Data Borrowing and Movement Software Circa. Digital Base Mapping System. D. Database Management System. Correct answer D. Database Management System. Question: Suppose we have two tables, T1 and T2, tuples of T1 that do not match. Some row in T2 will not appear in options A. Outer join B, inner join C, both I and the star D, none of the above. Correct answer B. Inner join. Question: Value of a function in SQL is always determined by the input parameters. Options A. True, B, false. Correct answer A. True. Question: Which of the following is true about creating database in MS Access? Options A. First we will run MS Access and select new option from the file. Next it will ask the name of database.p. After running MS Access, create database option is selected directly C. Go to the tool option of MS Access and select create database option with suitable name D. Click on the file menu, select database option and then click it. Correct answer A. First we will run MS Access and select new option from the file. Next, it will ask the name of database. Question: In SQL queries, while creating tables or relations in database, key columns may be specified by options A. Null B, not null C, data type D, none of the above. Correct answer B, not null. और आज के दौर में सिर्फ तालीम हासिल करना काफ़ी नहीं है, बल्कि स्किल्स सीखना भी उतना ही ज़रूरी है। तालीम हमें सोचने और समझने की सलाहियत देती है, जबकि स्किल्स हमें प्रैक्टिकल ज़िंदगी के मसाइल हल करने और अपने मकासद हासिल करने का तरीका सिखाती हैं। अगर आप अपने करियर को नए होराइजन्स तक ले जाना चाहते हैं, तो इस फैसले को आज ही अपनाएं। 40+ प्रीमियम कोर्सेज इन वन पैकेज। क्रिप्टो मास्टरी बाय वाकर जाका, SEO by Tanvir Nandla, Amazon VA and Dropshipping by Shahid Anwar, Graphic Designing 300 gigabytes plus resources, Ethical Hacking and Mobile Hacking, Web Development, HTML, CSS, JS, Python and more, Freelancing on Fiverr and Upwork, Animation, Game and App Development, Forex Trading, Blogging and Digital Marketing और बहुत कुछ। Original price $300 plus offer price सिर्फ 499 रुपीज़। स्किल सीखो और पैसे कमाओ। अभी रब्ता करें 030447526116। क्वेश्चन: In SQL, which command is used to modify the rows of tables? Options A. Update. B. Insert. C. Browse. D. Append. Correct answer. A. Update. Question. Which of the following is one of the purposes of using TDL commands? Options A. Inserting records into databases. B. Updating records into databases. C. Manipulating databases. D. Creating and destroying databases. Correct answer. D. Creating and destroying databases. Question that should be user friendly. Data integrity must be ensured and checks can be applied within the tables. Options A. Input forms. B. Computer language. C. Application programming. D. Database. Correct answer. A. Input forms. Question. A memory cache, sometimes called a cache store, or options A. ROM B, ROM C, RAM D, hard disk. Correct answer C. RAM. Question according to her level of knowledge, understanding. How many types of users are there? Options A. 3B, 4C, 6 days. 2. Correct answer B. 4. Question DML does not use to. Options A. Add new rows to tables. B. Retrieve rows from table C. Modify the rows of tables D. Alter a table definition. Correct answer. D. Alter a table definition. Question. Which of the following prevents duplicate values to be displayed as a result of an SQL statement? Options A. Distinct B. Delete C. Update D. Alter. Correct answer. A. Distinct. Question. Grant belongs to which type of SQL commands classification? Options A. TMLB DDLC 550 days. TQL. Correct answer. C. TCL. Question. User interface is preferred over user interface with respect to user. Options A. Easy to understand, efficient B. Hard to understand, efficient C. Easy to understand, effective D. Hard to understand, effective. Correct answer C. Easy to understand, effective.